This week on the Computer Chronicles, Internet TV. Most futurists see a day when television will migrate completely to the web and websites will be much like today's TV channels. Well, guess what? It's already happening with something called First TV, a full-time video website. And you're the boss of all this First TV stuff, Scott. Let me ask you, how do you do this? We've just seen some streaming technologies which are, a little bit clunky, yet you're just running a television channel on the web using what streaming technology?
We're using Vivo.
Which is one we didn't talk about.
That's right. It is a streaming technology that's a little different than some of the ones you profile because it doesn't require a server. It uses standard hypertext protocols. If you can serve up a GIF image, you can serve up a video. And there are no limits to the number of concurrent users, only bandwidth. And it's based on standardized codecs, compression-decompression methods. So it is very easy to use, very easy to utilize. And it penetrates firewalls, which is something we thought was important at First TV. It's also an ActiveX application, which means that if you're using Internet Explorer, you come to our website, the video will start to play automatically. There's no plugin.
You don't have to download a plugin.
No.
But if you're a Netscape user, you
still have to go through that process.
All right, so this is basically video on demand, right? Only on the web, in which I can go on and watch what I want, when I want.
That's
right.
right.
Let's take a look at it and see how good this is.
Okay, we'll go to our site and we'll select low bandwidth videos. This means 28.8 modems.
So we're watching this over 28.8
28.8 modems.
Click on any fresh click segment.
This comes on automatically. The video starts right away.
Video.
So again, we're watching an Explorer, so there was nothing we had to do.
No plugin to configure.
All right, now what's the content? What can I watch on First TV?
We produce our own show called Fresh Click Life Online. And what's unusual about this is not a show produced on broadcast television and ported over to the web. This is built specifically for the internet in our studios. And there are multiple segments all related to the show. You don't have to watch a 30-minute show in a linear fashion.
So on the left, this is sort of the rundown of all the content in your show, and I can watch any part of the show just like I would look at a magazine.
Exactly. You can click on the right side to get a description of what the show is about. You can click on the left side to actually see the video. In this case, it's Net Guide, which is a show segment that deals with interesting websites.
Okay, so let's play this and see what this looks like.
I'm the Z-Man. I'm in New York City at the American Stock Exchange. I'm going to talk to a couple of columnists at the Money Talk site, and it certainly does here. Now, if you're like me, you're not quite sure what to do with your money.
Yeah.
All right, what else could we watch in your Fresh Click show beside the Net Guide section?
Well, for instance, we have a segment called Web Wars that features somebody the folks who watch Computer Chronicles might know. Paul Schindler
Paul is back.
He's here hosting a segment. He has a segment where he debates with Tim Haight from Net Guide magazine various internet goings-on. In this case, it's politics on the web. And this is updated on a regular basis. We may update it daily or weekly. As news warrants, we can update it.
All right, your Fresh Click show is one thing, but I'm going to get a little tired of watching one show after a while. What else can I watch on First TV?
Well, we hope to do more shows ourselves, but we also have independent filmmakers and videographers and desktop video artists sending us films and videos on a regular basis. We have one called Numbered by the Numbers, produced by a woman in California. This is a music video about AIDS that MTV thought was too controversial to show, but we'll show it.
So this is sort of the cable of cable in a way. I mean, this is an opportunity for independent producers and filmmakers to get their stuff out where they couldn't get it on a network or any other cable station.
In 200 countries.
That's great. First TV really works. Thank you.